A gorilla pod? Where's your road mic?
I can make it longer.
That's what she said. Today. Happy Remembrance Day to all the Canadians back home. It's been roughly 9 months since Ling and I have arrived in Queenstown, but we're getting ready to leave. The plan is to leave next week. Queenstown, get back on the road, to head to Nelson, trade in the lake for a beach. It feels like summertime. It's a hot day today. Shorts and t-shirt weather. So what better way to take advantage of this great weather that we've been getting than with a camping trip. Ling, myself, and some other housekeepers, we're going to head up to Glenorchy today, and then after that pass by Moke Lake on the way back to Queenstown and set up camp there for the night and have ourselves a good old fun camping trip along Moke Lake. There is so much construction that's been going on in Queenstown for pretty much the entire length that we've been here. It really feels like home. And by home, of course, I'm referring to Montreal, notorious for construction and detours. Bloody hell. We are good to go.
I do indeed.
I do. You have your mask? I think I've got cell phone?
Yeah.
Chargers?
Yeah, why not?
Bathing suits?
Nice. Let's get this show on
Cameras.
the road. Yes. So Antonio Yo is watching the football game, so he's gonna meet us up at Moke Lake. So we're gonna head up to Glenorchy. Ready? Ready. Look, it's the other Canadian.
Huh?
It's the other Canadian.
Okay. Technically, we leave the housekeeper room on
That's
Sunday.
a good question. When are we leaving Queenstown? The black hole of New Zealand.
Days.
You think
Yeah,
you're
we
gone,
should, we
but it
should,
pulls
yeah.
you back in.
See you later.
See ya.
Bye.
Take off.
Check that white skin of yours, boy.
Look at that pasty ass.
Thanks, Antonio. Okay, bye. Guess who forgot to bring a sweater and a
Warm
jacket?
clothes.
All I brought was this t-shirt on me, so Antonio's gonna bail us out. We got 2 photographers, look at that.
Nat Geo actually hired me last year, that's why I'm in New Zealand, on an expedition to take photos of Kia. Especially recruited, even though I've never seen them in my life, but they saw pictures of chickens I once took and they were like, you should come to New Zealand, we'll pay for everything. So that's why I'm here. So I'd be honoured to take a photo of Mark and Ling, the happy couple here in New Zealand.
Because, you know, there's so many Kea in Queenstown.
There is actually.
Queenstown
That's why I'm
proper.
here. And like, what's his face? Shirley seemed keenish as well, you know?
Oh, Shirley.
I can't imagine her on acid though, like, I'd be a bit worried personally, like.
So apparently this is how you skip a stone.
Oh wow, went so far.
Yeah.
Ooh, that is a personal best, holy shit! Oh, did you get that, Mark?
I got you saying, holy shit, that's a personal best. Look at the professional over here, he's got his little tripod. Andrew looks like a proper photographer, nature photographer with his Nikon. Making our way up through this little path here to get up to that waterfall that we seem to keep missing every time we drive past. Not today. Apparently through there. Watch your step.
Batons, radish,
Andrew whipping out the woo salad rendition. Finally got to Glenorchy. Got my egg salad sandwich right here. It's delicious. It's the best egg salad sandwich I've ever had, of course, because I made it. I've got a whole bag. The old Glenorchy barn. Photographed barn in all of New Zealand. Yeah, sound flights are coming out. Yes, they are. Oh, here comes Ling with her cafe. Ling's coming with her cafe.
I love this, the color of the water, like it just changes.
Come out, son. Fucking sandflies. There's one right now. Look at this. Look at this vlogger. That's when you know you've made it, when you have a secondary camera person filming you. Self-proclaimed best egg salad sandwiches you'll ever have. It's missing a bit of salt, so maybe it's not the best. How's the froth on your cafe?
Beautiful. She's German. She was European, so she knows how to do a proper foam. Am I in the shot?
Yeah. Wah, wah, wah. Look at me, I'm Casey Neistat. I'm Casey Neistat, vlogger on YouTube.
Please don't drop it in the lake.
Right in there.
Oh, go away.
That's what he says. And action.
Oh, what were you even doing?
Let's say that. No wonder they're endangered line.
Don't you have to have a lead up to it first?
So loud.
Oh yes, say the line. Say the line.
Action. Rolling.
These guys are so annoying.
No wonder they're endangered.
What else is there? Wow, it's completely fun. Get out of Andrew's shot.
Ruined your shot?
Yes.
Come here.
Come here. Come. Oh no! Oh no! You psyched us out. Yeah, that's why I'm posing. Okay, I can't pose like that forever.
The jump shots.
I think it's more to climb. Or just to... He just slammed into the back.
Oh, ow, my butt really hurts. Whee!
Charlie bit me.
This is the least fun rope swing ever. Who decided this was a good place for a rope swing?
In here.
That did not look comfortable.
No, it wasn't. It wasn't off to a good start at all. Ah, jeez. I might bruise my ass.
You smells like rotting animal.
Poor guy.
Shit. Yeah, that's definitely some kind of rabbit.
Glenorchy, it's been fun.
Always a beautiful day in Glenorchy.